In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot for task management. If you're new to using HubSpot or looking to streamline your workflow, you're in the right place. We'll be diving into the steps to effectively utilize HubSpot's task management features, ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks and your projects run smoothly. First things first, let's open HubSpot. You'll want to make sure you're logged into your account to access all the tools we'll be using today. If you're not logged in, go ahead and do that now. Once you're in, we're going to start by navigating to the trial guide. This is a crucial step because the trial guide serves as a central hub where you can find all the resources you'll need, especially when you're getting started with form-building processes and other foundational tasks in HubSpot. Now that we're all set with the initial navigation, let's head over to your homepage. Here, HubSpot conveniently organizes all your essential tools. Look on the navigation bar and you'll want to click on the CRM section. This is where the magic begins. CRM, or Customer Relationship Management, is a powerful feature in HubSpot that helps you manage interactions with customers and prospects. Under CRM, you'll see an option labeled Tasks. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're in the Tasks section, the next step is to create a new task. You'll find a button labeled Create Task. Clicking this button will open a form where you can input all the relevant details about the task you want to create. This form is where you can really tailor the task to fit the needs of your project. Be sure to fill in all the necessary details such as the task name, due date, and any other specifics that will be useful for you or your team. Precision here will help in managing your workload effectively. Once you've filled out the form with all the required information, the last and very important step is to click the Create button. This action confirms the creation of your task. Make sure you don't miss this step, as it's what saves your work and adds the task to your list. And there you have it. You're now equipped to use HubSpot for managing tasks efficiently. By following these steps, you can ensure that your tasks are organized and easily accessible, which ultimately makes your workflow more productive. Remember, the key to efficient task management lies in detail and consistency. So take your time to familiarize yourself with these tools, and soon enough, managing tasks in HubSpot will become second nature to you. Be sure to explore other features in HubSpot as well, as it offers a wealth of resources to enhance how you manage your projects and interact with your team. Thanks for watching, and happy task managing.